If you wanna find the voice chat settings in NBA 2K26, here's how you can do it. From the main menu, go to Features, then open Settings. Now scroll all the way down until you reach the voice chat section. Here, you'll see different options related to voice chat. You can first select your voice input device, which lets you choose the microphone you wanna use. Once you select it, you'll see available devices listed on the right side. You can also adjust the microphone volume by moving left or right on your D-pad. The same applies to mic sensitivity. Just move the slider to your preferred level. Below that, there's the voice output device option. This lets you choose whether you want the game audio to come through your headphones or speakers. You can also adjust the voice output volume to set how loud other players sound in voice chat. Finally, there's voice test option that lets you test your microphone to make sure it's working properly. That's all you need to know to set up your voice chat in NBA 2K26. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and like this video. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.